Hey friends, on today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to use these 40-volt lithium chargers and batteries by Ryobi. They're fairly easy to charge. I'm going to walk you through the process step by step right now. Okay, so you may be using these big 40-volt lithium batteries for all your Ryobi yard tools. And although these have a longer battery life to power those larger tools, basically they do need to be charged regularly. So these are the little chargers that usually come kind of stock with them. You can get the bigger box chargers that charge multiple batteries at once, but this is kind of the standard charger that is included. Now this is plugged into our wall via the little charging port right here. You can see we've got a little power on light right there. And then on the front of the charger, we have all of the different light indicators, which is pretty nice. But what we're gonna do is use the back of the charger today. So as you can see, this has a nice proprietary slot where this battery is going to slide down into. So let's keep that over on its back. We're going to look at the Ryobi battery itself now. As you can see on the back here, we have a couple of different things. We've got those slots, again, that slide down in. We have a little hook system that goes into the actual casing of the battery, and then this big button that actually will release that clip. Now again, this is the model number of battery that I'm using, but again, all of these larger lithium batteries that look like this are going to work the exact same way. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take those slots. I'm just going to slide this down in there. You hear a click, and obviously that is in there now. If I turn this over, we can now see that that little red light has now turned green, and that is going to indicate that this battery is actually ready. And this battery is fully charged, which is why it's ready. Normally you'd see it blinking green because this is a good battery. You'll see it blinking green until it goes into the steady mode when it's fully charged. When you are ready to use the battery and it's done charging, simply push on that button and that will release that little clip and allow this to slide right off. And that's it, friends. Again, it's fairly simple once you know what to do. I hope that has helped. If it has, please hit that thumbs up button for us. Lets us know we are making good videos for you. Stay tuned, we're making a bunch more Ryobi tutorial videos as well as tool review videos to help make your life just a little easier. Thanks for watching. See you again on the next one.